Example 6. Find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the point 3, -1 and 4, -2. That is, we need to find the angle inclined between the x-axis. That for that I drawn this line. This one you imagine it as an x-axis. Okay, fine. And another line which is passing through 3, -1 and 4, -2. Somewhat here, like this, it is passing over here, and we need to find the angle between this. And this point I am going to take it as 3, -1, and this point I am going to take it as 4, -2. For the imagination only I drawn this diagram. Okay, fine. What we have to do for the line x-axis, we know the theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to 0. Then what will happen to the slope? That is, m is equal to tan 0, that is equal to 0. So I am going to take the slope of x-axis as m1. m1 is equal to 0. And now I am going to find the slope of this line. Here they given 2 points. So we need to use the 2-point formula. That is, m is equal to, shall I take it as m2? m2 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. On further substituting, you will get what? -2 plus 1 by 4 minus 3. Then you will get -1 by 1, that is equal to -1. Now m2 is equal to -1. And what we have to find? We have to find the angle between these two one, right? For that, we know the formula. Tan theta is equal to modulus of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. So you can substitute the value. What is m2? -1, and minus, what is m1? 0 whole divided by 1 plus 0 into anything is 0. So I am going to write it as it is, and this will become -1. Therefore, what will happen to tan theta? Therefore, tan theta is equal to -1, and theta is equal to 135. Okay, and this one is the angle value. Now, example 7. If 3 points h, 0, a, b and 0, k lie on a line, that means they are in a same line, therefore the 3 are the collinear points. Using this, we need to prove a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. We already did one same sum like this, that is a collinear, right? So the points are, one is h, 0. This point I am going to take it as a, and point B is a, b, and point C is 0, k. All the points are a collinear point. Therefore, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Okay, what is slope of AB? That is B minus 0. B minus 0 by A minus H is equal to K minus B by 0 minus A. And finally, we will get B by A minus H is equal to K minus B by minus A. And now you can cross multiply this A to this side, that is left hand side, and A minus H to the right hand side. So you will get AB is equal to, and you have to be careful, here we are having a negative sign in the denominator. Whenever you have a negative sign in the denominator, it is for the numerator only. So while writing here, write it carefully. Minus of A minus H of K minus B. Okay. Therefore, AB is equal to minus of, multiply this to AK minus AB minus HK plus BH. Now, you can multiply this minus sign. You will get AB is equal to minus AK plus AB plus HK minus BH. And this AB and this AB will get cancelled. Therefore, you can take this minus AK and minus BK to left hand side. You will get AK plus BH is equal to HK. And now I am going to divide this whole equation by HK. What will happen? AK by HK plus BH by HK is equal to HK by HK. Yes, I am going to simplify this. Here this K and K will get cancelled. H and H, this HK and HK will get cancelled. Therefore, you will get A by H plus B by K is equal to 1. Hence, proved. Now, example 8. Without using Pythagoras theorem, show that the point 4, 4, 3, 5 and minus 1, minus 1 are the vertices of right angle triangle, That means, right angle triangle means what is the condition? They are what? Any two sides are perpendicular, right? Excuse me. This is the triangle. Okay, fine. We need to prove this angle is 90 degree. That means a slope of this line is M1, slope of this line is M2. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Indirectly, they are asking you to prove this one. And we don't know where the point 4, 4 comes over here. We don't know that. So, simply you are taking the point A as 4, 4, B as 3, 5 and C as minus 1, minus 1. Now, find the slope of AB, BC and then AC. Then you can compare it. First, I am going to find the slope of AB. Yes, y2 minus y1. So, 5 minus 4, that is I am taken B as x2, y2 by 3 minus 4. You will get 1 by minus 1. So, what we will get? Minus 1. And the next one is slope of BC. And now I am going to take minus 1, minus 1 as x2, y2. I will get minus 1, minus 5 by minus 1, minus 3. So, it will become minus 6 by minus 4. Then you will get 3 by 2. And last, I am going to find slope of AC. For this, I am going to take minus 1, minus 1 as x2, y2. So, minus 1, minus 4 by minus 1, minus 4. Now, you will get minus 5 by minus 5. That is equal to 1. You can see now, slope of AB is minus 1. Slope of AC is 1. I am going to take the slope of AB as M1 and slope of AC as M2 and substitute over here and check whether they are perpendicular or not. M1 is minus 1 into M2 is 1. You will get minus 1. It shows that these two lines are perpendicular to each other. And here the common vertex A. So, I am going to take here a vertex A and here the vertex B, and this point is C. Therefore, we have proved that vertex of ABC forms a right angle triangle. Thank you.